Hi, I'm Troy Volpe. I'm sitting here with Trace Cornell. 25 years ago, Trace and I started the Entrepreneur Club at ASU. And we started publishing a magazine back in the day. And it's taken us a long way. The reason why I'm sitting here in the video today is because we thought, let's just test technology. Let's see how it works. He said, I've got this phone. I can record you. I can put you on the internet right now. I'm like, all right, well, let's try it. So I was telling Trace, I started a company called 10-Day Publicity. 10-Day Publicity is a method by which I get entrepreneurs who are looking to get publicized, national publicity, and guaranteed in 10 days. People are tired of paying $3,000 and $5,000 and $10,000 a month retainers to PR companies. They want to get results now. They want to get them on national publications like CNBC, Yahoo Finance, Entrepreneur Magazine, Forbes, MSNBC, Reuters, USA Today, Wall Street Journal. Long and short of it is, I can get you there every single time, no questions asked, within 10 days. The challenge is, that's not where it stops. That's where we start. Because getting national publicity doesn't guarantee you're going to have massive success. All it guarantees is you're going to get your name in a national publication. We take it to the next level. What we do is we actually PDF your articles, save them, and then write a blog about them. Because what you don't want to do is be a flash in the pan or 15 minutes of fame. You want to have your name in lights as long as you can. So when you get publicity, you got to milk it, you got to use it, you got to reuse it, republish it, and syndicate it. So social media is like the wave of the future. Creating a link cluster or a link wheel or a link platform to social media is like the pathway to distribution. If I get you published in national publicity, and I get your name in lights, we want to make sure that everyone sees it. We want to make sure it lasts forever. Internet is immortal, so what we do is we actually syndicate your articles, put it in Entrepreneur Magazine, CNBC, USA Today, etc. PDF it, write a blog about it, and then put the blog with a link to the article in the blog, so that now you're at the top of page 1 of Google, page 1 of Google with national publicity next to your name. So the way I look at it is like, your customers are on page 1 looking for you. They're looking for someone like you. If they're going to do business with somebody that they're searching for, it might as well be you. And if I had a choice, I don't know about you, but say if I was a dental, implant guy, and I was doing $38,000 implants. If I was looking for that, I'd say, all right, I'm in Phoenix right now. Phoenix, dental implants. I'm typing in the computer. I'd say, this guy, Trace Cornell, he's on page 1 of Google. He's got MSNBC next to his name. He's got blogs. He's got all kinds of education-based marketing. Well, he's quoted in a national publication. And that's the guy that I'm going to let cut my mouth open and put me under anesthesia. I wouldn't trust someone else to risk my life for $38 grand to get my teeth implanted. And it goes the same thing for cosmetic surgery, hair replacement, whatever it may be. These are expensive items that people need to protect themselves, whether a chiropractor, a doctor, a dentist, a lawyer. If you're not at the top of Google, you're probably not going to be found. I mean, 80% of people don't go past page 1. With those kind of numbers, you can't afford not to be on page 1. But can you really afford to be on page 1 without tier 1 media next to your name? It's called credibility. Credibility equals conversion. And I'm going to stop right there because I'm going to get back to your next bit. This new phone we're trying out only has so much time on it. Thank you.